New from Teacher Created Resources, it's STEM Starters, the perfect way to get your young minds excited about science, technology, engineering, and math. Inside each kit is enough materials to begin up to 6 different devices, perfect for building multiple devices at home with friends or even in the classroom. The pieces in your kit are enough to get you started, but you're going to have to provide your own materials to customize and finish your build. Today's challenge: building a zipline racer. Can you build a vehicle that can travel at least 10 feet on a suspended string? What materials should you use? Use everyday items from around your house or classroom to customize and build your creation. That looks great to me. Give it a shot. Looks like it's time to redesign and rebuild. Parents or teachers can provide support with information included in the STEM Starters Guide. Need some ideas on what to build? A list of questions to check for understanding? Or even ideas on how to keep kids motivated during STEM activities? Don't worry, we've got you covered. You can even use the included diagram of the engineering design process to help guide your build. Looks like you evaluated your device and made some minor changes. Let's test that zipline racer again. You did it! Great work! By making adjustments to your previous design, your zipline racer is now ready to fly. Think it's fast enough to beat your friends? Challenge others to see who can build the fastest racer. How you decide to build your creation is only limited by your imagination. We provide enough materials in each kit to get you started, but the rest is up to you. What will you create? Also, check out our STEM Basics, ordinary materials to help young scientists build extraordinary creations.